Hello, this is Jared, the owner of Shading Texas. Hey, we've got 2 more screens we just installed here. These are actually 97% motorized patio screens. This customer gets a complete west sun, and it's a big issue. I'm sure you guys know that our facing west, the sun just gets hot, especially here in Texas. So anyway, these screens are coming down here. You can see they're coming all the way down to the bottom. Really awesome. Look how tight these are pulled. You can see, I'll get a little bit closer here. These are our tension track screen system. These are about 13 feet, actually about 16 feet a piece, pulled super tight all the way across, and it gives these guys like a really good way to keep out the sun and also get some privacy as well. Raise these guys up here for you. Step back here again a little bit. And what I'm going to do is just kind of step on the inside here a little so you can kind of see what it looks like. Stop it right here, kind of come inside. And the sun is popping out right now just a little bit. So this is the 97% screen. So you can see when it comes down, still a really good view, but you're blocking 97% of the actual sun. So you can see how nice and clean and crisp this looks all the way through. So excellent views, 97% screen, and another quality job by Shading Texas. So you can see us at www.shadingtexas.com, where we are sun out and life in. Thank you.